I never believed that bit about sneezing when somebody gossiped about you, but now... Am I catching a cold? I guess I'd better take a hot bath.
Yeah! Sneeze is what trigger, not snap.
Shampoo, what have you done?
Now, how to make sneeze on purpose? Achoo!
A sneeze? Huh? Hey, that's Pepper!
Come on, that's enough.
But achoo!
Sorry I'm late. I stopped at the... Oh, no! I think you've caught a cold. The cold medicine's cleared up my nose, but I'm still running a fever.
You got a cold?
Uh-huh. But I'm feeling a lot better.
Fever?
A little.
How about a cough?
Yeah, but I took cold medicine.
And have you sneezed?
Sure. I think maybe the sneezing's worst of all.
Stay back, okay? Huh?
That's not...
Achoo!
What did you say?